Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pie with you again. Thank you so much for joining me. We're outside today on another beautiful sunny day. I'm out by the water. And I ask you now to please join me. Focus on letting go of any stresses first. So take a nice big deep breath in. Breathing in love, breathing in light, and exhaling and letting go of the stress. I'm going to ask you to do that again, except this time visualize that healing, loving, light energy coming in with every breath. Filling you up with sparkling light, and you're letting go of any other doubt or fear or stress. And we'll do that one more time. Breathe in that beautiful light energy again, see it coming in. Filling you up from head to toe, and letting go of any stress, letting go of any doubt. And now, breathe normally, letting go of control. Imagine being out here underneath the sun, that warm sunshine on your skin, keeping you nice and warm and comfortable. That sound of the gentle waves in the background, gently washing you clean and helping to remove any residual stresses whatsoever, helping you to feel calm and relaxed just like those waves. Let that energy wash over you. And hear the birds in the background serenading you, letting you know you're not alone. Feel the trees nearby, their resiliency. Feel that energy and soak it all in. And just take your time resting and relaxing. This beautiful scenery all around you, this beautiful energy all around you. Calmness surrounds you. The sound of peace, the sound of Mother Nature, the sounds of kids playing off in the distance, reminding you to let your inner child play too and have fun. Rest in this peaceful energy. Soak it all in, everyone. This beautiful, peaceful energy. Being completely present and just welcoming in and embracing all these beautiful energies all around you. Looking out over the water and admiring how all that snow and all that ice melted so quickly. Just like all those blocks and walls, mental or emotional, within your life in the past or the present, or your concerns about the future, they can all melt away too. And they are melting away now as you rest in this peaceful, calming energy. All that snow and ice can melt away, so can your doubts, so can your fears. And you can rest in this peaceful energy now, embracing it and being grateful for it. See and feel those gentle waves washing over you. Those magical sounds all around you. That miraculous energy of life and love everywhere. Hearing those angelic birds all around, those angelic creatures all around, those loving beings all around, Mother Nature all around, letting you know you are completely supported and loved. All the nature spirits all around, assuring you you are supported then, now, and forever. Taking this time to take a nice big deep breath. Breathing in this beautiful energy. And now sending that beautiful energy out as well. Knowing that you have more than enough to go around. You are this beautiful energy of peace. Thank you, Mother, Father, God, the angels, Mother Nature, all these beautiful energies all around us. Bringing all that energy back to your mental, emotional, finally your physical body, back to here and now, back to the present. Feeling calm and relaxed and at peace. Thanks for joining me, everyone. You have a wonderful day. Love you all. Please continue to support me. Spread the word. Thank you.